What if I told you some of the habits you believe are healthy could actually be speeding up how your body ages? I am not talking about smoking or junk food. You already know those are harmful. I am talking about things like regular exercise, healthy packaged food, managing on little sleep, pushing through daily stress. Sound normal, right? But research suggests these habits may quietly affect something very important inside your body, your stem cells, and that could influence how well your body repairs, heals, and stays strong as you age. What are stem cells? Inside your body, you have special cells called stem cells. Think of them as your body's repair system. They help build new blood cells, repair muscles, support immunity, and heal tissues. According to research supported by organizations like the National Institute of Health, stem cells play a key role in maintaining overall health as we age. But here is the important part. As you grow older, these cells naturally decline. Some studies suggest that by age 50, your body's regenerative ability may already be reduced by 30 to 40% compared to your 20s. That's normal biology. But certain daily habits may accelerate this decline. Part 1 is poor sleep and stem cell. Let's start with something many people ignore: sleep. Research published in the journals like Journal of Experimental Medicine shows poor or disrupted sleep may change how stem cells behave at a genetic level. Instead of just making you tired, sleep loss may increase inflammation, affect how cells repair themselves, alter gene activity, also known as epigenetic. Even more surprising, some studies suggest these changes may not fully reverse with just a few good nights of sleep. Organizations like the Center for Disease Control and Prevention also highlight that chronic sleep problems are linked with long-term health risks. So, takeaways: sleep is not just rest, it may support cellular repair processes. Now, part 2 is chronic stress. Now, let's talk about stress. Not short-term stress, but the kind that stays with you daily. Research in brain behavior and immunity suggests long-term stress may affect cell through multiple pathways. It increases cortisol, higher oxidative stress, reduced DNA repair, shortening of telomeres. The World Health Organization also recognizes chronic stress as a factor that can impact long-term health. Simple explanation: your body is not designed to stay in stress mode all the time, and over time that may affect how your cells function. Part 3 is healthy ultra-processed foods. Now here is something that surprises most people. You might think you are eating healthy, but many healthy packaged food are actually ultra-processed. This includes packaged whole wheat bread, flavored yogurt, protein bars, breakfast cereals, plant-based milk with additive. According to large population studies, higher intake of ultra-processed foods is associated with markers of faster biological aging. One study found every 10% increase in ultra-processed food intake may be linked with measurable aging markers in blood. Why? Research suggests these foods may disrupt gut health, increase inflammation, affect metabolism. So it's important. This does not mean all processed food is harmful, but minimizing highly processed items may support better overall health. Part 4 is too much exercise without recovery. Exercise is good, that's clear. But here is the twist. Too much intense exercise without recovery may act as a stressor. A major study in cell stem cells found moderate exercise supports cellular health, but excessive training without recovery may increase stress hormone, increase oxidative stress, reduce recovery efficiency. Especially after age 50, recovery becomes more important. Takeaway: exercise may help, but balance and recovery matter just as much. So now how all these factors connect? Here is where everything comes together. All 4 factors: poor sleep, chronic stress, ultra-processed food, overtraining, may contribute to something called cellular senescence. This means cells stop functioning properly and start releasing inflammatory signal. This creates a cycle: more inflammation, more stress on cells, faster aging processes. What research suggests may help Before we continue, this is general educational information, not medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before making major changes. First one is sleep consistency, fixed sleep and wake time, dark cool environment, limit late caffeine. Research suggests consistent sleep patterns may support biological rhythms. Number 2 is reduce ultra-processed food. Choose whole foods more often. Simple swaps. Oats instead of packaged cereal. Plain yogurt instead of flavor. Nuts instead of protein bars. Number 3 is balance exercise around 150 minutes per week. Moderate activity as also recommended by WHO. Add resistance training. Include rest days. Number 4 is stress management. Meditation or breathing exercise. Time outdoors. Regular relaxation. Research suggests these may help regulate stress hormone. Fifth one is intermittent fasting with caution. Some studies suggest fasting cycle may support cellular repair mechanism like autophagy, but not suitable for everyone. Require medical guidance if you have conditions. Realistic expectation. These habits are not quick fixes. You may notice better energy over time, improved recovery, gradual health changes, but results vary from person to person. So final message, aging is natural, but research suggests your daily habits may influence how you age. Your body is constantly responding to signals like sleep, food, stress, movement, and small changes over time may support better long-term health. Which habits surprise you most? Sleep, food, stress, or exercise? Let me know in the comment. And if you enjoy science-based health content, explained simply, subscribe for more.